In today's video, I'm going to teach you Revolut USD account 2025. Create US dollar account on Revolut fast and easy. If you need to hold, send, convert, or receive money in US dollars, adding a USD account inside Revolut takes just a moment. I'll walk you through the exact taps to make, and along the way I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Revolut app and signing in as you normally do. Make sure your app is up to date so the menus look the same as what you see here. If you use biometrics, approve the login and give the app a second to load your balances on a stable internet connection. From the main screen, head to the Accounts area. Depending on your device, this may be labeled Accounts or Wallet on the bottom bar. Inside there, look for the option to add a new account. Tap Add New Account, and when the currency list appears, choose USD, which stands for US dollar. If there's a search bar, you can type USD to find it faster. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the standard US dollar currency, not a token or anything else with a similar acronym. As soon as you confirm, Revolut creates a dedicated USD balance for you. You'll see it listed alongside your other currencies. From here, you can hold dollars, send USD to contacts, and convert from your existing currencies into USD whenever you need to. Conversions use live rates, so it's a good idea to glance at the rate and any applicable fees before you proceed. Some plans have different limits or weekend markups, so if timing matters, check the rate during active market hours for the best experience. When you're ready to receive money in USD, open your USD balance and tap Details. This is where Revolut shows you the account information you'll need to share with the payer. Depending on availability for your region and plan, you may see details for ACH and domestic wires, and sometimes separate instructions for international wires. Make sure the sender uses the method listed in your account details, and always double check that the currency is set to USD on their side to avoid conversion surprises. If a reference or memo is shown, include it exactly as displayed. Only share your account details with trusted people or institutions. That's all there is to it. Open the app and sign in, add a new account for USD, start holding or converting dollars, and use the details section to receive payments correctly. Keep an eye on rates and fees, and you'll be set for smooth USD transactions on Revolut.